Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Paul with Sizzling Arrow Outdoors. Wanted to just bring you guys a real quick, simple recipe for today. What we're doing today is a blue cheese jalapeno buffalo burger. I think it's gonna be good. Now, one thing that is cool with this is we're gonna be doing that in a cast iron pan, and no other cast iron will I use except for our one from Carolina Cooker. Thanks to my friends over there. Guys, it's a great pan, been using it all the time. So anyway, we're gonna go ahead and get into it. So hopefully you guys enjoy this. All right, so now we got our ingredients. So we're gonna go ahead and take the buffalo, 1 pound, about a half a cup, blue cheese, or gorgonzola is what I've got here. And a splash of Worcestershire, about a tablespoon. Sizzling Arrow Steak and Game. Jalapeno. Then about a tablespoon of Dijon. Just like that. All right, now we're going to go ahead and just mix it all up here. All right, guys, so we got the burgers mixed up. Got them right here. Yeah, there you go. Look at that. Looks pretty good. So we're gonna go ahead and get them on the stove, get them seared up, pop them in the oven. I got my oven at about 350 convection. And we're actually gonna put these onion slices in with the pan, let them cook with the burgers. And I'm going to make a pepper garlic mayo. I'm using these peppers right here, found them at Harris Teeter. They're a little sweet, a little spicy. They're good. So they are, again, if you like hot, spicy, sweet peppers, the mayo should turn out well. So we're gonna go ahead and get these in the oven, and then we will mix up our mayo. All right, guys, so we got the buns, so nice toasted bun there. We've got our burger and onion, looks pretty good. And we got a little bit of arugula right there. The peppery note would be nice. And then our mayo. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my mayo, I'm just gonna slather it right here. Just a little bit there. We can always add more if we want. That should be good. Take my burger. Grab my onion. Just like that. Arugula right here on top. Just like that. We're going to take our bun. All right, now just for prettiness, wipe off that. So that is the burger before it's cut. Let's see what she looks like, just because I'm a little OCD. All right, she's a little overdone. It's not bad though. All right, guys, so that is the blue cheese jalapeno buffalo burger. Hopefully you guys will be able to replicate this at home. You can always shoot me an email if you have any questions. That's paul@sizzlingarrow.com, or you can sign up for the free newsletter, and we'll have recipes such as this and others coming to you every month. with the full recipe at hand. So again, questions, give me an email, paul@sizzlingarrow.com. Sign up for the membership at www.sizzlingarrow.com. And also make sure you check out my friends at Carolina Cooker. That's carolinacooker.com. That way you can get the exact same cast iron pan that I'm using, and that is the 10.5-inch cast iron pan from Carolina Cooker. Make sure to check them out. They've got great equipment and does the job. So I appreciate y'all watching, and we'll talk to you next week.